In this lesson, you'll learn how to take advantage of multiple conditions available with the CE LITE-50. Recall in a previous lesson that we configured cut settings. Also recall that to change the setting, we just press the Condition Setting button at the bottom. Let's do that now. Here we can adjust the different settings for the current cut condition, such as the tool type, speed, force, and acceleration. But notice at the top that this is labeled Condition 1. This shows that there are more cutting conditions to configure than this one. In fact, there are actually 8 different conditions that can be configured for 8 different types of materials. For instance, if we were to press one of the arrow keys to the side of the label, we could scroll through the 8 different conditions, each of which can be individually configured to cut 8 different types of materials. For example, Condition 1 is set to cut through light materials, such as vinyl or heat transfer vinyl. Let's configure a second condition, Condition 2, to cut thicker materials, such as thick crafting paper or chipboard. This is done by first pressing the right arrow key to switch to Condition 2. Next, we will have to change the tool to a cutting tool rather than a pen. We can choose the PMBS002, which is the blade holder designed for thicker materials. Press the check mark to accept the change, and press X to exit out of this setting. Now let's configure the force and speed to accommodate cutting thick material. We will increase the force value, and also increase the speed value as well. And press X to exit out of this menu. Right now we are in Condition 2, but at any time we can switch back to Condition 1 by just pressing the left arrow key at the top. Of course, after changing a condition, it's always a good practice to perform a test cut using the Test Cut button. From here you can continue configuring different conditions to suit the materials you plan to cut. Then when you switch to a particular material, you can switch to the condition that is best suited for cutting that material.